Water bring life to the universe. Thea? Thea!
I gotta go.
Hey, wait!
Am I the only one super confused?
1% of the universe is oxygen, and 75 is hydrogen.
Thea, can you explain what's going on?
Not now, Proto. This is important.
Yeah, and I want to know...
You heard her, Protoworth. Just go.
Why? I'm just trying to...
Because you think this whole life business is ridiculous. So, if you're just gonna make fun of me, I'd rather not have you around.
Sure, Thea.
Hey, you did the right thing.
Then why do I feel so awful?
Cause Proto is a thin-skinned baby. It's not your fault.
Thank you, Venus. I'm so lucky to have a friend like you.
Oh, yeah, about that.
Can we please stop getting distracted by all this drama and focus? Water, Venus! Water! That's the key!
Okay, care to elaborate?
We were searching for something that can support biochemical reactions, regulate temperature, and exist in all 3 states, and act as the perfect solvent. Water does all that!
It does?
Yes! And it just so happens to be made of hydrogen and oxygen. Now, oxygen isn't super common, but hydrogen? That's 75% of everything around us!
So the key of life is 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom?
I think so! It's rare enough to be special, but there's just enough of it to work. Don't you love that?
Yes, I love it. I love it. So now what? We just find water and create life?
I don't think it's that easy. We still need other elements, the right conditions, the right temperature, enough chemical reactions to spark complexity.
Uh-huh. So, where do we start?
We start by finding the right orbit.
Well, here we are, Pluto. Back to our orbit. Well, thank you for introducing us to everyone, Neptune and Uranus.
Yes, you two are super nice.
Thank you, little ones. Controversial opinion, mate, but what if you turn them into your moons? Uranus! I mean it! Those 2 are like babies, and they're out here all alone. Well, they already have moons. Take a look. Those are rocks, mate. Aren't we all rocks, one way or another? I guess? Anyways, wanna go hang out with Jupiter and Saturn? Maybe later. That was a lot of socializing for today. Sure, mate. Sure. Huh? Who goes there? Pluto? Guys, what are you doing?
That was so fast.
Stay here. I will bring more.
Okay, don't take long.
Thea, what's going on?
In short, we're trying to find the right distance from the sun where a planet could orbit to sustain life. And since water is crucial for life's existence, we're searching for a place where water is neither frozen or vaporized, but liquid.
Well, you're overcomplicating things.
What? Why?
Because all your icy asteroids will begin to melt the moment you're past the asteroid belt.
Yeah, that's in line with our research. How did you know?
I've seen a few comets. Once they get close enough to the sun, the solar wind basically melts the ice. All the comet dust from this melting is what causes comets to look so magical and all.
Huh. Look at you, Mercury. So, the ideal area for a planet to develop would be somewhere in the inner solar system?
Well, yes, but not too close to the sun so water doesn't vaporize.
I see.
Also, if you expect to have living organisms, you're gonna need an atmosphere. I doubt living things can survive in a void like, you know, space.
But then, this atmosphere would also need to have the right composition, pressure, and temperature for water to remain liquid.
Yup. So, pretty far-fetched if you ask me. 1 in a million chance.
I mean, we have until the end of time to get it right, huh?
Honestly, not a bad point. Dodge this! Oh, come on, dude.
Sorry, I don't know where my mind was.
Probably on Thea?
What? What does that even mean?
You two have had this on and off thing going ever since you met. By now, I'm not sure if you love or hate each other.
What? We don't... probably the latter.
Why? What happened?
I guess she has bigger ambitions than I do. It's like I'm too small.
But she's smaller. Oh, right. Metaphors.
Anyways, her mind is made up about me, so no point in dwelling on this.
And you?
And me?
Is your mind made up about her?
Meaning...
Do you like her, Proto?
What? Dude, are you insane? What does that have to do with anything?
Come on, spit it out. Do you like Thea?
Okay, I'm back! Let's be careful since these may melt at any point. All right, ready for... Thea?
She's left, Venus.
What? But she told me to...
We had a talk, and she had an awesome revelation or something, and then she left.
Where did she go?
Listen, I don't know if we're friends or not, but if you want some advice, don't force this. She clearly sees you as a friend.
Mercury? Where did she go?
And if I add my calculations on the kind of atmosphere a planet would need to sustain organic life, then the ideal orbit would be somewhere between 95 million and 175 million kilometers from the sun. That would be sort of a Goldilocks zone. So, a bit further from my orbit. I wonder whose this is. No, come on. This has to be a joke. Out of all the planets, it had to be...
Yes. I guess I do like Thea.